So I just picked up a new key fob cover for the remote start key here. If you remember, I did a quick little video on this. A lot of you guys probably have this little silicone cover here. I want to try something different only because this thing, not only does it pick up a lot of lint, that since like with the sport model, you need to get it out of your pocket to actually unlock the doors. It's hard to get out. It sticks so much to my pocket. Would work better if you didn't need the key, like has the smart entry system, but the sport models do not. So I was trying to get another key fob, so a cover. So I picked this up. It comes in a fancy little box. I think it was $9.98, and I got it from, let's see if Amazon. Picked it up from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description. But someone on Facebook had this, and it looks really nice. You've probably seen them. So that's what it looks like. It's a two-piece. So it has, let's take this out here. Look at it. It has a back cover, and the buttons on the front are all made in. So it has that piece. It's glossy black plastic. Looks nice. Sure, it'll scratch up like crazy, but and then it has the silicone part, and you can get different colors. I got that one. So this is the, I mean, they call it silver, but as you can see, it's like a chrome, but it's flexible. You can see that there. So it's not all hard. So your key fob fits in there, face down, buttons are made on, and then this piece snaps in. You can see the little lip on it. If I can get it close up. That lip goes in here and it sandwiches it in. Pretty nice. The only negative thing, if you need to use this valet key, you do have to take the cover off because there's no cutout for it. But I never use that, so not a big deal. Like I said, it's just silicone. I think it was $9.98. Very cheap. They have pink, blue, and I think gold. They have a few colors. So you should check them out if you want something. This is like smooth too, which I like. So I think it'll slide in and out of the pocket easier than this thing. I'm always fighting with it. When I go to take this out, it pulls my pocket up with it. So thought I'd try something new. So let me go ahead and take this off, and then I'll show you guys how you put it in here. Okay, so here's the key fob. Wiped it off. So now I'm just gonna see if I can do this with one hand. Just throw it in there. Let's see, I'll probably go with this first. Might be easier. Just use my tripod. Slide this down, and then here, here's where the key fob's inserted in. You see the back here, and this has a little window so you'll still see it. The easiest way to put this in, I just discovered, is sideways. So you drop the key fob in this way first, and then you just pull on here and stretch it over. It's a tight fit, but I think it looks really good. Dresses it up. Now I'm sure, I don't know how well this will wear, being shiny like that. And like I said, it is soft, so that'll help it not like flake off. Because if this was like a hard metal, it would definitely flake off. But this, it has some give to it, so that's good. So let me go ahead and put the back piece in, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here it is. Very easy, the back piece. I just put the little flange down below this side, and you just work it around. And it fits in a little groove. And like I said, this thing has some give, so you just, once you get it in place, you just kind of push on it, and then it seats in place. So I like it. Feels really good. Looks premium. Has the chrome on it. Has the chrome buttons here. And as you can see there, I'll show you, has a little cutout where the light is. Unlock. Has the remote start button here. And then for the trunk. So I like it. The only thing it doesn't do, which I never have used it, is display the panic button. So that won't even push because it's hard on there. So if you guys need that feature, I wouldn't get this case, but I don't know many people that have to use it. But yeah, for under $10, it's a nice case, feels good in the hand, and it looks premium. And it displays the Honda logo still in back. But the main thing is it protects it, and it is slick, so I think this will be nice to get in and out of your pocket, since we do need to take them out to unlock the doors. So that was my main focus on getting a new fob. So Hope you guys like it. Check them out. You know, they have, like I said, about 4 different colors. So $110, you really can't go wrong. If this lasts me a few months, great. I might go back to the silicone. But for now, I think it looks good and it serves its purpose. So thanks, everybody. I will talk to you guys later.